session, I am going to explain type 3 and type 4. What is type 3? So it is also called as negative form. As has already been said, there are 3 degrees of comparison: positive, comparative and superlative. These degrees of comparison can be interchanged. Already explained you. The transformation from one form to another should be done in such a way that the meaning of the sentence does not change. When it is in negative also, the meaning of the sentence does not change when we change it from one form to another. For a proper understanding of the interchange of degrees of comparison, I will explain you through these examples. First, I will say about this formula. Some remaining part of the sentence, helping verb, at least, as, adjective 1, as, subject. It is positive degree. So, comparative degree, subject, helping verb, not. So, already I said about it, it is negative form. So that not, adjective 2, than, some other remaining part of the sentence in comparative degree. Superlative degree, subject, helping verb, not, the, plus adjective 3, superlative degree form of all remaining part of the sentence. It is about structure of the type 3 negative form degrees of comparison. According to these formulas, we will follow these examples. For example, some girls are at least as poor as Sita in our class. So, once observe this sentence. In this sentence, we are using some and at least. These keywords, if you keep it in your mind, it is type 3, you can easily understand. Some girls are at least as poor as Sita in our class. So it is indicating it is in type 3. So in comparative degree, when we change this positive degree into comparative degree, Sita is not poorer than some other girls in our class. Here, when we change it positive to comparative degree, simply we are adding there not and also adjective 2 according to that structure we are using here. Then that sense also not changing here. Once observe this sentence. Sita is not poorer than some other girls in our class. So then there is no changing. There is not meaning not changing there. That is you have to observe there. And now superlative degree. Sita is not the poorest of all girls in our class. So in these 3 sentences, meaning only one giving there, but sense not changing there, that should be understand. If it is write in negative form also, meaning not changing there, sense not changing there, that should be understand in type 3. One more example. Some languages are at least as easy as Telugu. Some languages are at least as easy as Telugu. That means here Telugu is easiest language. Telugu is not easiest language here. Some languages are at least as easy as Telugu. So then here same sense giving there comparative degree. Telugu is not easier than some other languages. So sense not change there. So that should be keep in your mind. And superlative degree, Telugu is not the easiest language. At last superlative degree, not the easiest language. Telugu is not the easiest language. Then in these three sentences, sense not changing there. So that should be understood from this negative form degrees of comparison. According to that structure, we should not change that sense when we change it into positive to comparative degree. The meaning should not change. According to that only we have to change that positive, comparative, superlative, three forms also in degrees of comparison. If it is negative model or model 1 or model 2 or model 3, according to these structures only you have to identify whether it is in type 1 or type 2 or type 3. According to that only comparative, superlative also you have to change. If they will give us in comparative degree, according to the structure, you have to change according to their question. If that question is in positive degree, they will ask you to change in comparative degree. That model only you have to change. Sense should not change there. They should observe these according to these structures. Type 4. Type 4, nothing but here only two subjects when they will give us in question. According to that we have to change that another form. When the subjects are only two, the formation of the superlative degree is not possible. We know it very well. In that case, the transformation can take place only from positive to comparative or comparative to positive degree. At that time, we have to follow cross formula. What is that cross formula? In this type 4, I am giving first structure in comparative degree. Subject, helping verb, adjective to, then objective. It is comparative degree. When comparative degree in positive form, that positive degree we have to write it in negative form. Subject, in type 4. In type 4, two subjects only they will give us to change one form to another form. When the subjects are only two, the formation of the superlative degree is not possible. In that case, the transformation can take place only from positive to comparative or comparative to positive degree. At that time, we follow the cross formula. What is that cross formula? Comparative degree when they will give us in negative form, positive degree we have to write it in positive form, that is. And another one, where comparative degree is in negative form, that positive degree we have to write in positive form. That should be followed. According to that structure, sentence, example here you have to follow. Gopal is stronger than Ravi. In this sentence only two nouns, in between them comparison we are using stronger than. Gopal is stronger than Ravi. It is in positive form. Positive form, that sentence, but it is in comparative degree because comparison between two nouns is there. When it is in positive form, that comparison, positive degree we have to write in negative form. Ravi is not strong as Gopal. Here comparative degree in positive form, positive degree write in negative form. That should be, keep it in your mind. In first sentence, adjective to we are using there because it is in comparative. In second sentence, adjective 1 we are using there because it is in positive degree. When that comparative degree in positive form, positive degree write in negative form according to that structure. One more example. Pen is mightier than sword. Here mightier than, it is comparison between pen and sword. Here given comparison is there in positive form. Sword is not so mighty as pen. It is in negative form. When comparative degree in positive form, positive degree write in negative form. Comparison between two nouns only we are using like this. If that question is given in comparative degree in positive form, positive degree write like this in negative form. That is you have to understand in this model. And here go subject, helping verb, not, adjective to object. That comparative degree structure, positive degree we have to change subject, helping verb, as, adjective one, as, object. It is in positive degree. Gopal is not stronger than Ravi. It is in negative form. Comparative degree in negative form. Then positive degree write in positive form. If it is in negative form, comparative degree in negative form, positive degree write in positive form. Ravi is as strong as Gopal. Only comparison between two. Ravi is as strong as Gopal. That comparative in negative form, positive degree write in positive form. Another example. Pen is not mightier than sword. It is in negative form comparative. Then positive degree write in positive form. Sword is as mighty as pen. If that question will give like this in negative form comparison, positive degree write in positive form. If that question is given in positive form comparative degree, positive degree write in negative form. That is called cross model. If you follow like this, there is no confusion. Comparative in positive form, positive write it in negative form. Comparative in negative form, positive write it in positive form. That should be keep it in your mind. According to these structures, if you keep it in your mind, if you remember it, you can easily change the degrees of comparison. I think 4 models also you understood very well. In previous video, first 2 models I had explained. In this video, 3 and 4th model also explained you. There is no confusion at there in degrees of comparison. I think so. Thank you for all. If you have any doubt regarding this topic, write in comment box. I will clarify it.